In this video, we are going to see some of the common command manager issue while working it is coming to us. Let's start. So first, when you select any tab and you by mistake drag that, what happens? Your command manager will be moved from its place. So once it is moved, you can place it any side where you want. You just select it. You will get 3 arrows. You can see top, right and left side. So if you want to place it right hand side, we can place this in right hand side, or I can just drag the tab. I can place in the left hand side, or we can drag it back by going to the top arrow. We can select place in top side. Another issue is that by mistake you can click on this collapse command manager arrow. So what happened, the command manager will be get collapsed. It will show you like tabs, feature tabs, sketch tabs. So you want to bring it back, you just click on this pin button, pin command manager, it will become back. Or sometime what happen, you right click by mistake, you untick this option, your command manager will be removed from there. So for at that time, what you do, you right click in this empty space and you click on the command manager, it will become back. Some other issues are there, like this tabs, you see feature tab, sketch tab, it is there, and in some of the PC these tabs are not available. What you do, right click, you go for tabs here, and from here you can tick and untick the tabs that you require. For example, I required sheet metal tab, you can click, a sheet metal tab will be added. So if you want to remove any tab, you right click and you again go to tabs and just untick that particular tab, that will be removed from the screen. So that's some common issue that we generally face with the command manager. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.